Hello everyone, in today's video I am going to walk you through how to change your name on Luno. Now, changing your name on Luno, like on most financial platforms, is a process that requires verification due to regulatory requirements. Here's a general outline. First of all, you need to access your Luno account through the app or the website. You need to look for settings or profile or account or a similar section. Now you need to locate the section where your personal information is displayed. And unlike changing a password or a display currency, you typically can't change your name directly. You likely need to contact Luno's customer support. Now, Luno may require legal documentation to verify your name change. This may include a marriage certificate if changing your name due to marriage, a court order if changing your name legally, a government-issued ID reflecting your new name. Now, all you need to do is just follow the instructions provided by Luno support team. They will guide you through the process and inform you of any additional requirements. Luno will verify the provided documents. Once the verification is successful, your name will be updated on your Luno account. And that's it.